So,
Wait lang.
Yung dalawang ito,
Wait lang.
hindi pa naka-on.
Alin hindi pa naka-on?
Yeah.
Game na.
good morning, classmates, and to ma'am. Our topic today is about critical thinking and logic by Group 5. Before we start, let's understand what is critical thinking and logic. It's an essential skills that we use every day as they allow us to evaluate the information and make decision based on evidence and reason. By analyzing the information, we can analyze the argument, uh, and it helped us to develop better decision making abilities and problem solving skills. Also, it can help us to decide if the argument is true or false. And next slide. So, critical thinking and logic provide a framework. It involves using different methods such as logic, inference, argument, statement or proposition, premises, and conclusion. These methods can be used together to evaluate the information and identify the strength and weakness of an argument and understand things happen the way they do so that we can make smart decisions. Next slide. So logic. What is logic? Study of the criteria used in evaluating inferences or arguments. Example nito, let's say, we want to figure out if it's raining outside. We can use our logic by looking out the window or check the weather forecast. It helps us to decide if the argument or statement is true or false. Inference, the act of using existing knowledge or evidence to make a logical and draw a new conclusion. So basically, it is a process of using our knowledge and reason to make a conclusion. Halimbawa, when a person sees a broken window and infers that there was a break-in. So the person here is inferring that there is a break-in because they have a prior knowledge that a broken window is usually a sign of a break-in. Argument, a set of reasons intended to convince someone of the validity of a particular conclusions. So the example, the premises is the individual evidence and reasons to support the conclusion. And the conclusion sa may tumawag, sorry talaga.